In this video, I'm going to show you a quick trick that you can use to create multiple pivot table reports with a single click. It shows me the sum of cost of salaries by department, and I also have this city field over here, which I'm dragging to the filter. So what I like to have in the end is a nice breakdown of the cost of salaries per department per city. Now I have this over here, and I can select each individual city and see my data, but this is not enough for me. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to click on the pivot table, go to pivot table analyze, click on this pivot table button, expand this options button in here, and just select show report filter pages. This is going to prompt me with this box over here, from which I can select all the report filters that I have. In my case, it's just the city one, so I kept it simple. I'm going to hit OK, and watch what happens. I'm able to create multiple sheets with the city name in which I have my pivot table filtered by the individual city. So this is very nice if you want to create a report like this. It's quite easily done, and it works super well. So let me know if this helped you. If it did, thumbs up the video, subscribe, leave a comment if you have any questions, and I'll see you in the next one.